The difference between traveling and outing.
People see, also if I don't buy the things finish, I will come align on the matter when I carry on. This matter when I carry on about outing and traveling, mini traveling. You know, now holiday time season, I will do so. So I can't call this my friend or my sister. I can't tell her, say, my sister, I want travel, you know. There's some things as a Nigeria lady will be or Nigeria person will be. There's some things we know they bad do, where we know they make sense for us, like can go watch all this animal, go swimming pool or river for us when they Europe, you know. So she can't happy or she can't say she for still like to do this thing, no, just that say this party and the celebration where they want to do this time it just too much. So now I can't let her know say there is always more days ahead, make it just calm down, you know. I can't just tell her, you know, say we can't do women thing, can't still gist, can't still laugh, you know, just still do our things, you know. After everything, so now I can't tell her, say not be say we go take, you know, say this time as I say, you know, say this time school time don't they reach now, not just a mini one, we not go take, you know. There are things when you know they take serious before, as I talk, say if you don't they get children, they don't they grow, you can say those things are very important to them. Like those things they important to children. Like, you know, say when your children go reach school like this, their mates they align some matter, like now so they go here, now so they go there, you know, say that one are their things as Oyibo people, you know. You go the feel say, this my baby, na my pikin, na just a baby, she no understand. Who tell you, hey, see, this baby where they call baby, once he reach school, my sister not be baby again. If she they align word today, you know, believe say that your baby girl, they align word, you know. You know, say children talk, children understand the way they look. So once they reach school, they align matter with their fellow friends, you go surprise say now your baby now they talk like that, you know. So in case if maybe they also they talk, she goes to say, so we still go here, you know, all those kind of things. So just to make those things available for them, you know. So and so we see and I can say, okay, make we ready this travel, this mini travel. Mind you, it fall out with one luggage, one luggage, like just here and rate jam. It fall out with a day lodging. For me, na travel I call am. I don't know wetin una go call am. So now make me say person no dey know finish, make I carry the matter come, make una see align the matter for me, make una let me understand. I know say after we don't talk finish, I can't tell am say just one day we go in the morning, come back in the evening. She come shout now that one me they call travel. Now I can say, my sister, what you say make I call her? Like, what you say make I call her? Me not travel, I call her. So I say, luggage don't fall out, lodging don't fall out. So because this travel, now once we enter in the morning, we just freshen up, take our breakfast for the place where we lodge, we fall out again. Go where we they go. When we come back, at least we know we just go house with that stress or with those sweat of walking around. Like we just go inside the a place where we lodge, then we just still freshen up again, they come back. And so now she come shout to say, no, that one not be travel, that one out, you I'll call that one travel just one day. And for me, my sister, not travel me I call her. Now travel me I call her. So I don't know what you think or how una know how, make una let me know, una align me, make una educate me. I just want know waiting be that many of travel and outing. And mind you, I don't say heavy travel, now mini travel, now I call her like just small travel, but me I know if put her as outing. Outing are just when me and my children dress come up for house, just to walk around, you know, just to walk around, look the streets or where we did. That's why I don't enter car, don't drive for more than 1 hour. Now travel I call her. So now make I carry and come, and nobody should come for me on this. And I know people will like to hear from us on this comment section. There are so many of us who don't know the meaning of mini travel outing. We could not just explain her for us, for we will not know, for the comment section, make we know. So I am carry come and I hope to see you now for my next video. I beg me, I want to enjoy this my travel, my little mini travel.
Lady Zion, sweet home, beautiful home, cooking and lifestyle. These are more we do. Let's go.
My
If you
words, my
ask
thoughts.
me, whom I go ask, them matter where you see. So it's a when it start, no be me go talk. It heavy for my. If you ask me, the matter on ground. Oh my, yes. So any matter when person carry come, not be new, and not be me you go ask, because me I not get who I go ask. Okay.